eBay business policies are the reusable shipping, payment, and return settings that you create on eBay and apply to your listings. They are very important because they let buyers know the delivery services you offer, how long it will take you to ship an item, whether you accept returns, and how they can pay you. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up eBay business policies in LitCommerce. Before using this feature, please note, make sure you've opted in to eBay business policies and created your shipping, payment, and return policies on eBay. On eBay Seller Hub, choose Business Policies and click Create Policy. Select Return, add policy's name, choose whether you accept returns, the return window, who pays return shipping, and your refund method. Then save it. For a payment policy, add its name, complete the payment settings eBay shows for your marketplace. Then save the template. For a shipping policy, add policy's name, add your shipping method, cost type, and handling time. Then click Save. Next, go to the eBay sales channel on the LitCommerce dashboard, open the listing you want to edit, and select Business Policies. Start with item location. This is the city, state, or country where you ship the item from. Make sure the location is accurate. For example, I ship my product from New York, United States with a postal code 07008. You can search for this code on Google. Next, enter the dimensions. Select your shipping, payment, and return policies from the drop-down lists. These are the policies you created on eBay. If a new or updated policy is missing, click Refresh List of Policies, then check the drop-down again. Or choose Create on eBay to create a new eBay policy. Enter the weight and package size. If value-added tax applies, enter the correct rate. This rate will be applied to the listing price. Under Shipping Package, select the package or parcel type used to ship the item. Enable a regular package only if the parcel has an irregular shape or requires special or fragile handling. This option is only used with calculated shipping. Complete the other required eBay listing fields before publishing the product. Review the information and click Save Changes to save your edits in LitCommerce, or Save and Publish to eBay to apply the changes to your live eBay listing immediately. If several products use the same policy setup, save time by creating a template. Open Templates and Rules, click Create a Business Policies template. Give the template a name, such as Business Policies. Then, fill in the same business policies fields, such as dimensions, item location, shipping, payment, return policies, and more. If you want this set up on every new eBay listing, select Choose as Default. Finally, click Save to save the template. Next, back on this tab, choose a product to apply the template to. Click Apply Template Rules. Choose the template name, then click Yes. Apply Templates. And you've done create and set up eBay business policies in LitCommerce. Check out the next LitCommerce Academy video to continue setting up your multi-channel selling workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!